Hey y'all, so today we're going to get into an everyday super easy makeup look. I want you guys to focus on the steps and how to get this makeup look versus just the products that I'm using, because you can use any products that you have at home. So I started out with a primer. It's always best to prime your skin no matter what makeup look you're going for, so you can have a very smooth base and it will last all day. And then I decided to use a foundation stick. A foundation stick is super easy to apply and usually easy to blend out depending on which one you're using. I went in with the Hourglass one and it's super full coverage, but you can shear it out just like I'm doing now because I didn't add a lot on my face, and I'm using a beauty sponge just to blend it out. That's when you get a more flawless sheer base. If I wanted to be super glam, I would go on with more foundation, but since we're doing an everyday simple makeup look, I'm just using just a little bit of foundation. Next, I'm going to go into concealer. This concealer, it's not super full coverage. It gives you a natural finish, even if you keep trying to build it up. And I'm just blending that out. And as you can see, we're starting to come together already, girl. This is a great makeup look for work, school, going to the grocery store, listen, whatever you want to do. And I notice I'm not adding any on my chin or my nose or my forehead like I would for a glam look. I'm just taking whatever's left on the sponge and applying it in those areas. Now, because I'm extra, I wanted a little bit more coverage under my eyes, so I just put some concealer there and it's just going to sit there while I add some powder to my face. This is a skin tone powder. You can use any powder that you have just to set the makeup because we do want it to last, even though it's a very simple look. Then I'm just going to go in with bronzer. You can choose whichever bronzer you want. Long as you use a bronzer, do not put on a foundation and don't bronze because you then look flat. You need to bring, some warmth back to your skin whenever you add foundation. Next, I'm just going to take a tinted brow gel, or you can go in with a pencil. Right now is a great time for a pencil. Pencils are really quick and easy. I'm just going to clean up my brows with my foundation. It's really the cleanup of the brows that have them looking snatched versus the product that you use. So that's why this cleanup is super important. I went in with my foundation because this is a very simple look and I don't want it to be too highlighted under my eyes. So when you use your foundation, you get a very natural, clean, sleek look, and that's what we're going for today. Now I'm just finally going to blend out that concealer with the same beauty sponge. Notice we've done basically the entire face with this one beauty blender, and then I use a brush or two brushes for the powder for my face. So it's not a lot of makeup, not a lot of brushes, very simple. I feel like everybody should be able to recreate this look and get a very natural, your skin but better makeup look. Now I'm just going to take some pressed powder. So you can go on with the translucent powder if you wanted to. That's really, to me, for a very glam look. When you use a nice pressed powder under the eye, it gives you a very natural look. And sometimes I prefer this look. I'm just placing that under my eyes. And then I am just placing the rest in my higher points. So on my chin, my forehead, and my nose. Now I'm taking a luminous blush. Something with a little bit of glow because we want our skin to glow, girl, even if we are doing a natural look. So I'm bringing in a little bit of glow with a nice luminous blush. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of highlight. This is a Jaclyn Hill and Becca palette. This is perfect when you're trying to do an on-the-go look because it gets your highlighter and your blush in there. Very, very great product. And I'm only adding a little bit of highlight. Lately, I've only been liking a little bit of highlight. Trying not to go too crazy with the highlight like I usually do. And we are almost done. You can very much so stop here if you wanted to and walk out the door, spray yourself, and just keep on moving. But I want to add a little bit of something on my eyes. So I'm just taking my bronzer, the same one I use on my face, and placing that on my lids with my finger Very simple. That's a great beauty hack to use your bronzer on your eyelids, especially in your crease when you're on the go, girl. Gives you a great look. But yeah, then I'm going to go in with a little bit of mascara. Just grab your favorite mascara, plop it on, and then plop on your favorite lip. This is just a neutral nude lip. And I went ahead and added some gloss on top. And you just style yourself and you walk out the door, girl. This is the final look. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. These makeup looks photograph really nice, really natural, your skin but better. They look flawless in pictures because you don't really have to worry about all the flashback and, you know, all those line and demarcations because we didn't do too much. This is like a celebrity makeup look. So don't forget to check me out on Instagram at Chicmarie so you can see all of my pictures that I post of this makeup look. And give me a thumbs up, girl. Hope you liked this video, and I will see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't pressed the subscribe button, girl, what you doing? Holla.